Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Kaos. If you're new to my channel, hi, you're listening to Sukruthi and I make videos on English speaking, phonetics, and also I include my day-to-day vlogging. So if you're this content kind of a person, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. So today's video is a phonetic series part 3 video, which is diphthongs. So without any further ado, let's get into our video. So diphthongs are the sounds which are originated from pure vowels. The combination of two pure vowels is known as diphthongs. So there are 8 diphthongs. Let's discuss about that. So our first sound is A sound. A and E. A is also a vowel and E is also a pure vowel. So both of them combines to form A sound, and the words which make use of A sound is gate, wait, slate, fate, all these words. Our very next sound is I sound, R sound and E sound, and the words which make use of I sound is night, kite, tight, all these words. And the very next sound is Oi sound. This is O and E sound, Oi, and the words which make use of Oi sound is boil, oil, foil, all these words. And then very next sound is Ow sound, Ow, and the words which make use of these sounds are crown, town, brown, now, cow, all these words. And our next sound is O sound, okay, O, and the words which make use of these sounds are gold, potato, fold, told, all these words. And our next sound is Ua sound, okay, Ua, and the words which make use of Ua sound is tua, pua, sure, mature, all these words. And our next sound is A sound, okay, A and Y sound, A, and the words which make use of these sounds are air, fair, all these words. And the next final 8th diphthong is E sound, okay, E, and the words which make use of these words are ear, near, fear, all these words. So that's all about diphthongs. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and our next video would be about the transcription. So I'll just make short videos which will be easy to learn. So I will take 5 to 10 words in one video and we will transcribe it together. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Keep supporting me as always. Thank you so much. And also, if you haven't watched my last video, which is a wedding vlog video, please do watch it, and thank you so much. You have supported me in that video. I got innumerable support in that video. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Much love. Take care.